did the CPU cooler. This is the heatsink for the CPU. As you can see right there, that's the actual CPU on the motherboard. It's kind of soldered onto the actual board, so what we're just gonna go ahead and remove some of this old encrusted coolant, CPU cooling, and then we'll just go ahead and reattach everything. So we're going to clean this up with some alcohol and some specific electronic safe wipes, and then we'll go ahead and add new coolant and then reattach everything back how it was. All right.